Welcome students. Today we will be learning a lesson from environmental study, that is how we came to be part 2. As we learn in module 1 about how stone was discovered by Stone Age man, we also learn about the ages three ages such as Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, and Neolithic age. So, from this module 1, we learn about the stone and their age. So, let's move forward to our module 2, and before proceeding to module 2, let's do a quick recap of our module 1. Let's do the recap of our module 1. Student, in module 1 we learn about how stone came to be known to man. We also learn about minimal and maximum uses of time and energy while using tools by Stone Age men. How apes use the stone to break the nuts, but with continuous observation and imagination, men learn about how to make tools from sharpened rods, bones, sticks, and stone which they found in their environment. We also learn about three age such as Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, and Neolithic age. So let's learn more about these Stone Age and their stage, also about their tools in our module 2 more details in more details. Learning objectives of our module 1. So in this lesson we are going to learn all these points such as 3 Stone Age period, Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, and Neolithic age. Percussion techniques about stone tools such as chopper, hand axe, and cleaver. Tools from Homo erectus to Homo sapiens. Hearths and social festivals. Well-known old Stone Age sites in Maharashtra. Old Stone Age, that is Paleolithic age. So in this stage we will be learning about Homo habilis and Homo erectus, then percussion techniques and obtain stone flasks. So let's see. Student, do you know Homo habilis and Homo erectus? They belong to the old Stone Age period because both made their tools by using percussion techniques. Now the question will raise in your mind, what is percussion? So let me explain to you. These techniques involves beating or striking one large pebbles against another to obtain stone flasks. Student, you can see all this in the image on your screen, that how they were finding the flasks of stones. Stone tools known as chopper. So on your screen you can see different shapes of the stone tools which was known as chopper. So let's learn more about them, that how they were using. So as we learn that Homo habilis and Homo erectus used stone which were crude, means were not properly in shape, to hunt the animals. The first tool made by Old Stone Age was chopper, which could which could only be used for breaking nuts and bones. So such tools were made by Homo habilis, but it doesn't indicate that they learned to hunt, means only they were hunting with this chopper. So let's see, when men were shaping tools, stone tools, means they also started giving shape to the stone tools with the help of chopper. Flags were produced. These flags were used to scraping meats from animal skin or for chopping meats and other foodstuffs. It's too used to sharp wooden sticks, etc. So all these things they were doing with the help of chopper. Tools used by Homo erectus. So on your screen you can see different tools which were used by Homo erectus. So they are hand axe, cleaver, chopper, etc. So let's learn about them in detail. Tools made by Homo erectus like hand axe and cleaver were more proportionate and symmetrical as compared to chopper made by Homo habilis. Its visualized tool made by Homo erectus were well shaped, symmetrical and more proportionate. It means that Homo erectus given the shape to chopper and other stone tools and made them more appropriate. They use antler as a hammer to obtain stone flags. Also use those flags to sharp edges of scrapers. They also use different tools for different tasks according to the demand of their tasks. Means whatever, means for example if they want to scrape the meats from the animal skin, so they use different tools. If they want to break the nuts, they use different tools. So Homo erectus will use different tools according to their tasks. Improved tools help Homo erectus in food. So, as we learn that Homo erectus were improving in their tools. So, when they improve their tools, they get food in variety and also started to hunt the big animal. So, improved tools help Homo erectus to get variety of food. The reason is that they hunt a variety of big and small animals. Means Homo habilis, they were hunting small animals, but as Homo erectus came, they started hunting big animals too. So they got number of, means they get greater variety of foods. So big animals Homo erectus were hunting such as deer, bison, rabbit, etc. So on your screen you can see that how they were killing the deer and how they are scraping the meats from the big animal. Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens progress in techniques of making tools. So let's study about them. Student, as we know that Neanderthal and Homo sapiens, they were more intelligent man. So they progress in their tools making techniques. Began to make smaller tools, but Homo sapiens brought about a revolution in technique of making tools. He made long and narrow blades of stone. He made various implements like knife, scraper, borer, chisel, etc. You can see on your screen the image of the tools. Then he also began to use ivory. Ivory means which they were getting from the animals, from dead animals. Ivory means teeth of the dead animals for making tools and other articles. In this stage, stones were less used for making tools. Homo sapiens gained knowledge of environment. So as time passes, Homo sapiens gain the knowledge of the environment. So do you know student, Homo sapiens made well progress in gaining knowledge of the environment and also in the technique of making tools and obtaining more food. All these changes enable them to stay in one place for a longer time. So they all started living in groups, had begun to build huts and live at one place, and started after starting living in groups they started making the cultivation of agriculture, then started making the huts. You can see in the image what material they were using for making the huts. Homo sapiens started celebrating festivals in group. As soon as men started learning to live in group, they learned about social festival and started celebrating it. Student, all their such as about their groups settlement, huts and social festival. Student, we know about all these social activities of man through their painting and artistic objects which were created by Homo sapiens. They also started using ornaments to adorn, means to look beautiful themselves. The ornaments were made from beads, shells, bones, and also from animal teeth, that is ivory, have been found near their fossils. Thus, the beginning of human culture go back to the old Stone Age. You can see on your slide that they were making different ornaments with the help of beads, ivory, etc. and the painting too. Fossils of human skull, collar, bone and child skull found in India. As we learn all about this age through their tools and fossils which were found at various places by the historian. So, some tools from old Stone Age have been found in India at various places from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. Fossils of human skull and the collarbone of woman were found on the bank of the Narmada in the vicinity of Hatonara, a village where Hosangabad in MP means in Madhya Pradesh. We also found evidence where as the fossilization as we found fossils skull of child was found at a village near Pondicherry. Some remains also have been found in Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Gaganapur near Nasik and Chirki Nivarsa are well-known sites in Maharashtra. Student, all this you can see in the map. Student, do you know Gagapur is on the bank of Godavari river and Chirki Nivarsa is in the Pavra basin. So, all you can see in your map which is shown on your slide. Middle Stone Age, that is also known as Mesolithic Age. So student, let's learn about the Mesolithic Age. Homo sapiens were existed and continue to make progress in many different ways. The first animal which they started to domesticate it was a dog. Due to changes in climate and environment, you can find different changes took place, and because of this, the life of human had begun to change. Beside hunting, they means Homo sapiens started to harvest food grains that grew in the wild and also to domesticate animals. Their diet include various plants. You can see on your slide how they are cultivating the food grains and the animals on your slide, that the dog was the first animal which they started to keep as a pet as well as for domestication. Homo sapiens started domesticating pet animals for their use. So they begin to settling down for one part of the area for many years. They also learn domestications of various animals such as sheep and goats. We also come to know through different sources and accounts that Homo sapiens needed several different tools which were light in weight and also durable for a variety of tasks such as hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting trees, etc. For all these tools used like the knife and the sickle, which were firmly fixed on a row of blades or as smaller as finger nail into a groove in a bone or a piece of wood. All these tools you can see on your slide. Many sites of Middle Stone Age found in India. So, Middle Stone Age have been found in India as it has been shown in the map on your slide, such as Bagur in Rajasthan, Bhimtika in Madhya Pradesh, Lang Nach in Gujarat, Patna in Jalgaon district, which comes in Maharashtra state. All these sites were known in history. Do you know this? In Middle Stone Age, the stone blades used to make implements were removed from the stone by fluted core techniques. Flute means a long parallel side depression on the stone, and core means the original stone from which the blades are removed. After the blades were removed from the stone from all sides, you can see this on your slide how they are removing the flags. Blades removed with these techniques are very minute, the size of a nail or slightly bigger. Hence, they are called as microliths. Micro means very small and lithos means stone. So, in the Middle Stone Age, arrows were made by fixing a microlith at the tip of a stick. You can see the different images which made from the fluted stone, such as hand axe, then microliths, arrow with tips, fish hooks from bones, knife like a saw. New Stone Age is also known as Neolithic Age. In this period, stone tools were polished to give a smooth, shiny finish effect. All these tools, student, you can see in the image on your screen. So, because of polished tools, this period was named as New Stone Age period, and you can see that because of the polishing, the tools were shiny and smooth. Agriculture and domestication of animals had become a routine way of life. So, during the time of New Stone Age, agriculture and domestications of animals or animal husbandry had become a routine way of life. In this period, hunting was no more means of obtaining food. Means the Homo sapiens were not depend on hunting. It became secondary to agriculture and animal husbandry. Student, you can see many sites of New Stone Age culture in India map on your slide, especially along the Ganga river and in South India. And you can see that how the people of Neolithic were living in huts, and also they started living in groups, and you can see also the pet animals which they started domestication. So student, let's do the recap of our module 2, Stone Age Stone Tools. So in this module we learn all these points. So let's do the recap of it. Old Stone Age, the Paleolithic Age, stone tools used in this age, uses of tools for various purposes. Middle Stone Age, that is Mesolithic Age, Tools used in this age were light in weight and durable for multipurpose tasks. New Stone Age, Neolithic Age, more polished tools and also about agriculture and domestications of animals. So all these points we learn in our module 2 Stone Age Stone Tools. Evaluation of our module 2. Fill in the blanks. Homo habilis and Homo erectus belong to the dash Stone Age. Answer is old. The first tools made in the old Stone Age were dash. Answer is crude. Dash near Nasik is well known old Stone Age site in Maharashtra. Answer is Gaganpur. Find the odd pair from the following. Rajasthan Baghor, Madhya Pradesh Bhimtika, Gujarat Lakhanaj, Maharashtra Bijapur. So answer is Maharashtra Bijapur. This is odd pair. Answer in one sentence. What does Paleolithic age means? Answer is Paleo means old and lithos means stone. So Paleolithic age means the old Stone Age period. Second, for what purpose were the chopper used? Answer is chopper were used to break nuts or bones. Third, which was the animal did Mesolithic Stone Age man domesticate? So the answer is man of the Middle Stone Age domesticated first animal, that was dog. Give reason. Hunting was no more the major mean of obtaining food. Answer is by the time of New Stone Age, agriculture and animal husbandry become a routine way of life. So hunting was no more a major means of obtaining food for Homo sapien people. Second, man used the percussion technique. Answer is percussion technique involves beating or sticking one large pebbles against another to obtain stone flags. The early man used these stone flags for chopping meat and other food stuff, for sharpening wooden stick, etc. Man further sharpened the edge of the stone flags by scraping off small pieces to make scrapers with very sharp edges. So all these things were come in percussion techniques. Thank you, student. Thank you, student.